The Cecilia Moot was founded in January 2019 at City University of London. The idea behind setting up the Cecilia Moot at City University was to raise awareness among students of the legal issues affecting animals, and also to give students a chance to practice their advocacy skills.
Animal law remains a niche area which is grossly under-enforced. For instance, only 1 in 100 dog theft cases in 2019 resulted in the thief being charged and prosecuted. Of 1,300 reported crimes involving bats, marine mammals, badgers and raptors in 2016, of those only 22 were successfully prosecuted. This is a problem.
An acknowledgement and thanks to our finalists. You have shown motivation and mental toughness and resilience taking part in this competition and in these finals, and I applaud you for that. You have voluntarily participated in an event that I know will be quite stressful and nerve-wracking, just as practice can be at times, and you have also stepped up to the additional challenge of participating in this event online. And like many lawyers across the country who have had to transition to hearings online, you too have risen to this challenge. And I hope that this moot will help you develop skills for the future that will be very useful in your careers. For those of you who didn't know anything about animal law before entering this competition, you may not have even thought about animals in a socio-legal context before. I hope the issues that you have had to grapple with and are grappling with have been thought-provoking, and that you'll carry into your careers some awareness of how animal interests are dealt with in law, and how concepts such as justice and equality and liberty apply to sentient creatures other than ourselves. You've already done so much just by participating and showing your willingness, and I know that will be of help to you going forward in terms of showcasing that commitment to future employers.
The Barristers of Monks and Chambers are delighted to be sponsoring this moot. Our areas of practice include public law, EU relations law, trade and environmental law, all areas that are highly relevant to the treatment of animals. I know that there are many students who are participating in or watching this moot because they're interested in animal protection or environmental issues and want to find a way to pursue those interests as part of a legal career. And the one piece of advice I can give you is just to be the best lawyer that you can be. This moot is one of the many ways in which A-Law, the UK Centre for Animal Law, is advancing education and debate around animal protection law, and ultimately contributing, I think, to social change. And it's also helping inspire young lawyers in their future careers.
Well done to all four of you. And congratulations on getting to the final of this competition and being broadcast to such a large audience.
Of course, the arguments that I heard, I've been hearing arguments like that, in courtrooms for the last 8 years that the Non-Human Rights Project has been bringing cases. So that was very familiar to me and very interesting. And I was writing down all kinds of answers so I can use it in court myself.
Thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye. It's been a pleasure taking part.
Thank you to everyone who has made this past 2 days phenomenal. The mooters, the volunteers, all the judges today.
I really recommend the Cecilia Moot to everybody who has an interest in animal advocacy and making the world a better place for animals. It's a great way to meet other like-minded students and to hone your advocacy skills, which will be absolutely fundamental for fighting for a world for animals. And you'll get to meet so many experts and learn from them, and it's just a really interesting, really enjoyable experience.